Hey Atlanta property viewers, today we are just south of Atlanta in the quaint city of Hapeville at a new construction urban style single family community, Stillwood. Built and developed by an award-winning developer, Epic Developments. This unique community has a pool with a cabana and nature preserve. This premium custom-built home is the Boxwood Floorplan and has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 2,025 square feet. Properties in this neighborhood start in the low to mid 500s. If you have any interest in real estate in the Atlanta metro area, please don't hesitate to call or text me. My contact and consultation link is below. Please enjoy this property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.